Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Well, raise your hand if you have ever stared at your LinkedIn profile. You have been tweaking the same headline 50 times and still wondered why isn't your LinkedIn profile working? Why aren't you getting the right traction from the recruiters? Yeah, well, we all have been there. But guess what? LinkedIn isn't a guessing game anymore. Today, I'm going to show you how to hack it with AI in just few steps. No bluff, let's just go and I'll show you how you can do it. The first step is downloading your secret sauce, downloading your secret weapon, which is your profile as a PDF. That would be your first step. The next step would be you would have to unleash the power of AI by feeding this profile PDF to LLMs like ChatGPT. Why do you need it? Because you need AI to understand what is your LinkedIn profile all about. ChatGPT can't talk to LinkedIn. That is why you have to download this profile and give it to it. Once you attach your profile, give a specific prompt which I'm going to share with you, which will help you understand what exact corrections you have to do. I'll be sharing this prompt with you, which will talk about what is supposed to be done with your profile in the chat. And this profile will have details around how you can optimize your LinkedIn profile to attract recruiters or whatever is that you want to pitch for. Could be new connections, or you're trying to pitch a founder. We can add that in this particular prompt, and I'll show you how we do it with ChatGPT. The fourth step, people usually stop here, but I take it a step further. I also want you to download the entire data of your LinkedIn in terms of who are your contacts and who all are there in your connections, how are your connections associated with you, who has looked up your profile and stuff like that. And you can download that and upload that to GPT, and you can ask more analysis on top of it. With no further delay, let's jump on and see how we can do that in action. I'm into my LinkedIn profile and I'm going to click on my profile. This brings me on my profile landing page where I will be looking for resources. Under resources, I should be having a download button which tells save to PDF. This downloads my entire profile as a PDF, right? Boom, you have your PDF generated. This PDF is gold, trust me guys. That's the first step we had completed. Once you have that, the next piece is taking this PDF, which is nothing but X-ray of your profile, to ChatGPT. Attach that, click on plus, I'm to ChatGPT, attaching my profile, and then I'm going to give the prompt. I'm going to share this prompt in the description as well, so make sure you pick that up. I'm modifying my prompt to say that I am looking to attract recruiters, clients, and any networking opportunities as such, and I want to use this to generate details around my profile. I hit enter, and now ChatGPT gave me what is that I have to correct. It has given me the most appropriate headline which I have to add, suggestions around what I have to change, the optimized version of my headline, what I had and what I have to change it to. I had already used it, so it has not changed that much, but you will have a drastic change in terms of what you can add to your profile. My description is crappy, so it has given me a much better description where it talks in terms of the years of experience, not just that, but numbers which make sense, like in terms of cost savings, what I have done by implementing these projects. So let me copy this and update it on my profile. If you see, my description is not that great. It is just like plain, and this is adding a lot of context and value to my description. So any recruiter who looks at it will have great understanding of my profile. The experience section also is blank for most of my previous experiences. Let us go and update it. Just with the profile, AI has done this magic. I don't have to spend hours to understand what algorithm LinkedIn is applying, but I'm using AI to leverage that, and I'm adding those the sauce which ChatGPT has given me into my profile. So all the profiles, the experiences which were blank are being updated now, because ChatGPT has identified that these are going to be the best bets for me, and I'm going to update that. This way you will get a detailed list of what stuff can be optimized for yourself, and you can copy that and put that into your profile. So it has given me these all steps to improve my profile. Trust me, the amount of clicks you will get after that will be huge. Once that is done, I'm going to download the full data from LinkedIn. People usually stop here, but that's a mistake. You have to download this data as well. How will this happen? This will be helping you in, this is like a black box which no one knows. Like hardly anyone would go there and do that. Just from your profile, click on settings, and from settings click on data privacy, and from data privacy click on get a copy of your data privacy, and get a copy of your data. Select the first radio button where you are going to download the archive and request the archive. This is going to take 24 hours. That's fine. Once this is done, you will get an email which talks about the link of this entire data. All you can do is you can now use this data and ask ChatGPT. By attaching it, you can ask which companies do my connections works for, or what roles are common in my network. Example, like how is your network responding. You can visualize your connections, and you can make the most out of it. So why do you want to guess what LinkedIn's algorithm is all about, but when AI can already tell you that? Well, just do these 3 steps and you will become the AI will help you get hired much faster. I want to hear what are your wins as well. Well, these are some important tips I wanted to share with you. All this stuff is going to be in the description. Use these to run insights on your profile, update your profile, and see how the magic unfolds right in front of you. You're not just another profile, but you have great value which you can pull in this thing. Well, if you have liked this, smash that like button, and if this helped you, share it with your friends, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.